a mudskipper, a fish that spends most of its life out of the sea. They must also take care not to dry out in the sun. For this smaller species, a better option is to retreat underground. His heap of spoil is an indication of the extent of his excavations. With the tide flooding the tunnel twice a day, maintenance is a real burden. The tunnel is more than a refuge from the sun. It serves another very important purpose, the walls of which are lined with eggs. The problem is the air that's trapped here won't last for long. So the male travels to the open end of the tunnel to gulp fresh air. Back he goes down his tunnel, where he releases it into the egg chamber, replenishing the oxygen on which the eggs depend. This lifestyle is very demanding, yet the mudskipper has found a way around every problem.